All rise. Support court with Judge Van der Bee is now in session. Judge's case number JVB1070, Flash case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. I know when I said I'll see you soon, I didn't know it was going to be today.
Yeah.
Okay, Ms. Flask, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Okay, good morning, Your Honor. So,
good morning.
I'm here today because I need some more money from baby daddy, okay?
Okay.
He's been doing a lot of social media stuff, and I'm like, oh yeah, let me have some more money because my baby needs it. He's older, we're doing a lot more, and my baby's the first one.
Okay. All right. How much child support is he paying right now?
Well, my son is 13. We went to court years ago, so it's only at $100 a month.
Okay.
You know?
Okay. And you said he's...
If you're not familiar with subrogation, it's when one party steps into another's shoes to make a legal claim. Like when your insurance covers your accident costs and then sues the person who caused the accident. Pretty straightforward, and mostly a civil matter. But this sovereign citizen in court? He's out here acting like he discovered a secret cheat code by screaming, "I reserve my right to subrogation," like it's some magical get-out-of-jail-free card. Spoiler alert, it means absolutely nothing in a criminal case. Clearly, he skimmed one sentence off Google and decided he was ready to take on the entire legal system. For context, this guy was originally charged with prostitution. Yeah, exchanging cash for a little service, if you catch my drift. But that got knocked down to disorderly conduct. Watching him scramble in court now, you'd think he'd trade his shoelaces just to stay out of jail. Honestly, it's painful and hilarious all at once. But real talk. What do you guys think about the judge? I'm still on the fence. She's staying patient, but you can tell she's 2 seconds away from cracking up or snapping. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
How old was your son when he was placed on child support?
It was like months after the baby was born.
Oh, okay. It was real new.
Yeah.
Okay.
As soon as it popped out, pop, child support.
Oh, you ain't even give him a chance?
No, he was doing stuff while I was pregnant with my baby. So yeah, I already knew in my mind, social security number, sign me up.
What kind of stuff was he doing?
Just with so many women, and it's just like, it was just too overwhelming. I was pregnant, I was having complications during my pregnancy, and he just out in the streets.
Okay.
Still out in the streets.
Okay. What kind of stuff is he posting on social media that makes you think he has more money?
Oh, he's living his best life, okay?
How good is he living?
Oh, he's living good. He's going on trips after trips. He's flashing money, and he just recently flashed a little ring. I guess he gave one of his little chicks a little ring.
He did, he did mention that he was engaged. This is your fiance that's back here?
Yeah.
Oh, he been to court already with the other baby mama, huh?
Well, not to put his business out there or anything, but he's...
Oh, we coming for you.
Okay, well, you all coming for him has nothing to do with me.
I'm sorry.
Now, this is your fiance back here.
Yes.
Oh, okay, this is the lady that you all work together.
Yeah,
you, her, and the other child's mom.
We work at the school.
Oh, okay, I got it now. I got it, okay. Do you all get along?
I don't like none of them. Him, her, the other one, none of them.
I don't have an issue with anybody, Your Honor.
Okay, so...
I'm happy.
Okay, congratulations. That's a nice ring.
No,
Will I have to have my bailiff escort you out or anything?
No.
Okay.
All right, guys, things heat up fast here. The mother calls him out over his flashy lifestyle. Luxury trips, stacks of cash, and a $5,500 engagement ring. All while his fiancée sits right there in court. She's not just asking for child support. She's coming with receipts. The energy shifts hard as the judge realizes this isn't just a money dispute. It's a full-blown lifestyle clash. Tension between the mother, father, and fiancé is so thick, every glare feels like it could spark a fight. As accusations fly, you can feel the court losing focus. This isn't just about finances anymore. It's about exposing who's really living what life. Personal drama spills everywhere, and trust me, it's only going to get messier from here.
You're not going to be making any loud outbursts or doing anything like that? Okay,
I'm
and
cool.
you understand that's not going to be tolerated, right?
I'm cool. I'm
Okay. Okay, all right. So as long as everybody has an understanding, we're good.
I'm okay.
Okay, all right.
I just need my money.
All right. So you need the money for your son, right?
Yes.
Okay. So is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
I just want him to stop bashing me about what I do, because in the absence of him, I have to get out there and get it. You know, I have to do what I have to do because he's not taking care of our son. I have to do it. My son wants to play. Oh, look at him.
Excuse me. Hold on one second, Miss Flash. Excuse me.
I used to be for the streets.
Excuse me. Is there something you wanted to address with the court? I see you trying to help him. Ma'am, that's not nice. You know exactly who she is. That is his fiance.
Not for long. He goes through.
Listen, that's not nice. And you just heard me talk about having my bailiff remove her if she act out, right?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I need to get my money. I'm so sorry.
Okay, and it's not your money. It's your son's money.
Yes, son's money.
Okay.
Son's money. I need to get my son's money, Your Honor.
All right. Well, in order for me to help you do that, you can't be, making
Okay.
outbursts,
I'm
doing
sorry.
faces, asking who she is when you already know who she is. Let's not be ugly, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
And I need you to focus on me, and I need you to sit back there and just look pretty.
Okay, I can do
Okay.
that.
Okay, thank you. Now, is there anything else that you wanted me to know?
The tension finally snaps as the mother lashes out, and Judge Von de Bee wastes no time putting her in check. She's pleading her case, saying she hustles day and night to raise their son while the father is nowhere to be found. But this courtroom isn't about emotions. One more outburst, and she's gone. Her frustration feels raw and real, but the judge demands order. Every stern warning adds more pressure, making it clear this case is hanging by a thread. The mother's walking a tightrope. Stay calm or risk losing everything. The air is thick, and one wrong move could blow this whole thing up. Game over could be just one word away.
Did you get the fact of him, me, I have to do everything. I have to do everything.
When you say everything, what do you mean by that?
I have to work all these extra jobs, and at nighttime I have to go out and do jobs and stuff, and it's just, I'm tired. My son is older. He's going to be going to high school pretty soon. He wants to be fresh. He wants the latest, clothes and things. He's going to be in football and all the things, like football, basketball. He does all of that, and I'm paying for everything.
And you just want dad to help out?
I want my son's money.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you. I understand. Okay, excuse me. This will be the last time I say it. If I have to say it again, ma'am, I'm just going to have you exit to my left. Okay?
Yes.
All right? Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
why aren't you taking care of your 13-year-old son?
First of all, I do take care of my 13-year-old son. The other day, I just took the wombat some Pampers over there for him.
You took what?
Some diapers.
He's 13.
Never
How
mind.
high involved are you in this child's life?
I would be more involved in the child's life if the wombat wouldn't act like she do.
What does that mean?
I don't never see him.
You don't ever, well, obviously, that's clearly you just said you putting him in diapers.
I don't never.
Are you getting it mixed up with your other kids?
I don't never see him.
He moved away.
And I did move. I moved a couple minutes, about 45 minutes away.
You went to go be with the other kids. That's what you did. I got the first baby.
Okay. And you act like $100 ain't enough. $100 was
$100?
That's $100 more than what you had.
That's his shoes.
Before you get that $100, what you had? That's extra to it, ain't it?
Excuse me. Did you need my help?
I do.
Oh, okay. So I need you to address me
Okay.
and not him.
I'm sorry.
Exactly.
Okay. So
This is too much.
And on top of
you
that,
moved 45 minutes away from your son.
it's really in the middle.
How close are you to your other kids again?
About 10, 15 minutes.
Okay, so you don't really visit with your 13-year-old then.
He ain't never at the house.
All right. And you just got engaged. How much was that ring you just bought your fiance?
Now the father finally speaks, and it's pure chaos. He claims he's supporting his 13-year-old son by buying diapers, leaving the entire courtroom stunned. His excuses spiral fast, blaming the mother's attitude for why he's been absent. But the real truth comes out. He's more involved with his other kids and barely sees this one. Judge Vonda B sees straight through the nonsense, calling him out for flexing online while failing in real life. His carefully crafted image crumbles fast. The courtroom's energy shifts as everyone starts questioning everything he says. The mask is off, the truth is ugly, and the judge's patience is hanging by a thread.
How much?
$500.
$5,500?
But you can't look, y'all going on social media just because you see, and trips. Right now, the way thing is, you can go to Miami for $79.
Okay, and you're proud of going to Miami for $79, spending $5,500 on an engagement ring, and you do not even know that your 13-year-old son is not in diapers.
Man.
I need you to help me make sense of that.
Help me too.
Everything will be cool if she keep her family out of business.
Okay, what does her family have to do with this?
My family helped
My
out.
mother always bashing me. She always bashing me. Telling her son that I'm for the streets. I'm not for the streets no more. I'm engaged now.
Okay, he's engaged now. He's not for the streets
He is
anymore.
for the streets, Your Honor. When I tell you he's not going to be with her for long.
How do you know?
I know him. I know him. He's
How
not
long were
going to
you
be.
all together?
We was together like 6 months.
See that? Put me on child support
But
right
I
there.
left. I left because I realized that he was for the streets. How am I big and pregnant and he got so many ladies? Like, I
How
had
can
to
I be with
go.
somebody that got an OnlyFans?
Oh, okay. You know what?
No, you didn't.
Is he telling the truth?
Things explode when the father accuses the mother of being for the streets, and she fires right back, exposing his shady side hustles. At this point, it's no longer about their child. It's personal. Raw wounds, public shame, and years of resentment pour out in front of everyone. The judge is trying to hold the line, but the courtroom is pure chaos. Neither parent looks good now. Both are dragging each other through the mud. It's wild, it's messy, and it's nowhere near finished. What started as a child support case has turned into an all-out war fueled by pride, payback, and dirty secrets. The judge isn't presiding over a legal matter anymore. She's stuck refereeing a battlefield. And trust me, nobody's walking away from this clean.
Nobody's business. I said I
But
have
off
to
of the streets.
hustle. I have to do things to make money because he's not taking care of our son.
Right, but how can you sit there and say he's for the streets and you have a page like that? I don't think you can blast him when you...
It's not the streets,
doing
it's the
that.
internet.
Oh, okay, I got it. So because it's on the internet, it's different from him being out on in the streets.
I have to do what I have to do. My son needs things. I have to get money. I have to make money. We're living a certain type of lifestyle that I have to keep up.
Who is we?
Me and my son.
Yeah, but you said he's going to start football and basketball. He's not in it right now, right?
Yeah, I mean, I know I looked up the prices and stuff and I know how much money I got to get.
Okay, so how much is it going to cost for football?
The football is $200
Okay.
plus all the equipment and stuff, so it's probably going to be like $500.
Okay.
For one, the team provides equipment, the shoes.
No, they do
Sir,
not.
sir, let me
You
ask
don't
you a
even know the
question.
team.
How much money is it that you make?
Yeah, let's talk about that.
Excuse me? Does she work for you?
No, we all
Because
work.
it seems like I need to be talking to her because you cannot focus. She knows more about everything going on with this case than you do.
No, we just
Do you
work
all need to switch places?
No, man.
She need to pay child support for you?
Nah, no, man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And I don't think you want to pay child support, do you?
She can.
Okay, well, I need you to sit back there and
I
mind your
don't pay neither.
business. Okay, but you are currently paying, and she has a right to ask for an increase if there has been a material and substantial change. And it sounds like it has, because if you've only been paying $100